Buds, it's Lavender, and I have an amazing DIY for you. This is a light-up Stranger Things sweater. Stranger Things is absolutely one of my favorite shows right now, so I had to do something for it. I have a lot of DIYs like this on my channel, so go check those out. And if you like my channel, subscribe to it. Subscribing really helps me out. It lets YouTube and others know that my channel is pretty alright. And stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm doing a special shout-out section. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so this craft is super easy. You just need a sweater, and the lights I'm using are actually like Christmas light necklaces. These are necklaces. I got these off Amazon, but you can totally find them at Party City or anywhere like that. Okay, got my Christmas lights detangled, and I'm just laying them on the sweater to see where I want them to be. Okay, so I figured out that I want the lights to be 3 inches apart from each other, so I'm using a tape measure to measure that out. And now I'm cutting 3 holes down the middle of the shirt so I can string each line of lights through. Doing this hides the battery pack inside the shirt. Now that all 3 of my necklaces are stringed through the sweater, I'm laying them out how I want them. It's gonna be like a S shape, a backwards S. Now I'm hot gluing the necklaces on. I'm hot gluing the back of the lights to the sweater. Yeah, so the necklaces I'm using are really amazing, but one thing I didn't like about them was that every other light was a fake light and didn't work. So what I did to fix that was I glued on the real light to a fake light. It was like every other one. So you can kind of see how they're like bulky because they're glued on a fake light. Okay, when you're gluing the lights to the sweater, be aware of how many letters there are for each row. It's 8 for the top one and 9 for the 2 bottom rows. So you'll want to make sure that there's those number of lights for each row. Okay, I have the lights on there, and now I'm adding the letters. I'm using puffy paint, and I'm just freehanding them all the way across. Okay, and space it out so each letter is underneath one light. The last couple letters, and we're all done. And here's the finished product. And to turn on all the lights, you just press on all the light switches. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this tutorial. Okay, so far, but this is a new section I want to add to the end of all my videos, is this little shout out section where I give all of you a shout out because you mean so much to me, and the support you give me from watching my videos and commenting is just amazing. All of you mean so much to me, and I just want to give a shout out to some of you that just comment on so many of my videos and just say the nicest things to me. Yeah, so I talked to all of you in the comments, but I just want to give you this little extra so by giving you a little shout out. So I just have a lot of names right here, so I'm just gonna read them all off. Okay, so the names I got are Catherine2324, Sophia Louise, Alexis Dries, Everything 101, Morgan 3000, Tonia Brown, Nigar, Sabrina Locke, Traveling Bella, Rathna Rathu, Stacy Hancock, VonDa and Wonderland, Only in Your Mind, Young&Pretty, Human Echoes, Cat C, Lavender Animations, It's Spree25, and an extra special shout out to Alexis Dries, Sophia Louise, and Tonia Brown. All of them made videos like about me, or a little shout out to me, and it's like, wow, this is so sweet of you all, thank you. And a lot of my flower buds I just listed, they have YouTube channels, so I'm gonna leave those down below so you can all get to know each other and support each other. Yeah, so I hope you like this little shout out section, and I want to do this in all my videos. And how I'm gonna do it in my next videos is I'm gonna have like a question, like a comment question, and then you comment on that question, and then maybe I'll read your reply in my next video. So for this video, because it's a Christmas video after Christmas, what was your favorite thing you did over the holidays or in the month of December? Yeah, so comment down below, and I might give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, Flower Buds. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and here's some other videos you might like, and I'll see you next time.